Hi, it's 3:45 here on the East Coast, Friday afternoon. I've just completed grading the 15 assignments handed in for this week, which suggests that there's still some of you struggling with the assignment. So I'm doing a quick video to accomplish a couple of things. First, for those who are still struggling, give a call if need be. And I'll try to help you out with the assignment. I think the second thing there is that if you are struggling, it may be because you don't have a real project that you're trying to get money for. And I would suggest that you try really hard to think of a real project, one that you know about, one that has details, one that has some facts related to it, because a good proposal is going to have to present a lot of detail about the project, about the need for the project, the actual service that's going to be provided to meet that need, and then also the measurements of the impact or hoped for impact that implementation of the project will result in. Okay, so the more you can ground your proposal in reality, the better it's going to be for the proposal, the more you're going to get out of the assignments here and out of the course in terms of actually developing a real proposal. Okay, going on to the grading of the assignment, I just want to say that because of some of the problems this week in the instructions clearly weren't as clear as they could have been. Therefore, I graded really generously. And so I think everybody got 100% except for people who did not include the demo sheet 1 chart. So if you didn't handed in the assignment but didn't do the demo sheet 1 chart, just submit it and you will earn the extra points. Okay. Someone earlier in the week asked me where you find the demo sheet 1. If you go to the assignment and click on the hyperlink demo sheet 1, you'll get an example there. Okay. Okay, so that brings me then to why I'm actually really doing this video. I said a moment ago about make sure that your project's real. That's one point. And the second point is that you weren't really required to do a needs statement or a needs assessment for this paper, but maybe I just couldn't help myself a little bit when you were not you, when when a number of you routinely talked about the need for a certain project, and you'll see that in the beginning, whenever you did that and sort of talked in a general way about the need, my comments are fairly terse. They're like, well, tell me more about the need. Is that a real need, or are you just saying it's a need? And I wasn't trying to make a judgment on the merits of your project or anything like that, but rather just to emphasize that when you get to that part of your proposal and we're going to and write a real needs statement, it's really important for you not to use generalized adjectives, but rather qualitative and quantitative descriptors of the need, so that the reader really understands what the hurt is that you're really trying to address. So I just did this. It's now almost 5 minutes, but the main point here is that please don't take my comments to mean that I don't think that your projects are worthwhile, or that the need that you're trying to address is inconsequential. I was just trying to, I guess, help you think more about how you're going to quantify the need and convey it to the grant reader in a compelling manner when you get to that point of your proposal writing. Okay? All right. 5.5 minutes, that's enough. Hope you have a good weekend. I'll be really interested also in looking at your more comments about the Foundation Center online directory and the grants.gov directory. My own personal experience is that the grants.gov directory was a lot easier to use. So if people were having trouble or any issues with the Foundation Center online, the Foundation Center online database, let's really hear about them in the discussion forum, and hopefully others who found that database to be easy to use can tell us the tricks that they learned in using it. Okay? All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.